everybody, thank you so much for joining me. Today, I'm going to be doing a talk through eyeshadow tutorial using an eyeshadow palette from a very small business. This brand is called Half Caked, and let me preface this by saying they don't know me, they don't know I exist. I bought this palette on my own. They actually did repost me once on Instagram because I used their cream bronzer, but yeah, this is not sponsored or anything. This is just me wanting to support small businesses. So this is the first video that I'm doing. I hope you guys can give me more like small brands, small independent brands, you know, because I want to try and buy more makeup from them than, you know, other huge brands. So yeah, I found this brand on Amazon. If you guys didn't know, I have been trying to find, well, I've just been like trying to experiment in finding some really affordable cream bronzers, and I looked on Amazon cream bronzer and this came up. It's by Half Caked. It's their candy paint cream bronzer, right? I purchased it on Amazon. It was $11. I got it, I started using it, and I instantly fell in love. So I was like, oh my god. I ended up buying their cream blush, okay? I actually have two cream blushes. I love their products so freaking much that recently I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna buy like a ton of their products and I'm gonna do a video. So this YouTube video, I'm just going to be using the eyeshadow palette, but I will have a reel, I will have a short and a TikTok using all of their other products like these. I used a brow gel today. What else have I used? Oh, I used their brightener underneath the eyes. I also have a stick highlighter. So all of the face stuff will be in a TikTok reel short. Today, YouTube, we're just doing the eyes. I'm so excited. Oh my god, and the brand is owned by two sisters, and they're from Florida. Like, hello, I'm from Miami. So I just think this is a really fun brand. Everything that I've tried so far, I really, really like. So let's just get into it. I'm excited to try this out. I want to do like a simple taupe eyeshadow look today. This packaging is very dangerously similar to ColourPop. So this is actually a sleeve, and then I was like, holds up, this looks just like the ColourPop eyeshadow palettes, and they're literally the exact same thing. Okay, exactly the same. Is ColourPop a little bit bigger? Oh yeah, ColourPop is like a smidge bigger, actually, just a smidge. And also when you open this up, and I'll show you a close-up, they have a mirror, and then the little eyeshadow pans are square. ColourPop we all know, and this one is my destroyed one, but you know. I'm starting off with the shade Baby Love, and I'm taking a little bit of this because this is kind of dark and I want to just do something very simple, a light taupey look. I swatched all these shades and they seem very thick and creamy and smooth, so I'm so excited to get these on my eyes. This eyeshadow palette is $16, and they have other ones on the site, so if you don't really like this shade range, you know, they have other ones to choose from. I just wanted this one because I don't have a lot of cool tone eyeshadow palettes. I'm all warm tone, orangey, reds, greens. I really don't have a lot of cooler tones, taupeys. So this one was like perfect for me. Yeah, it's a little patchy, but like I said, the more you blend, it just kind of fixes itself, really. Picking up the shade Oh Darling, this is like the darkest matte shade in the palette, and it's like a plummy gray. I know I kind of wanted to do something every day, but I want to try out more shades in this palette, so we're just gonna deepen up the look a little bit with this one. I don't know. I think definitely the mattes are on the dry side, so we're just gonna go with it. A lot of the times my eyeshadow looks like crap, and then when I do my concealer routine, it just comes to life. So we're gonna see if that helps. But yeah, they're just, you know, I mean, for a $16 palette, this is not bad at all, but they are a little dry. Alright, I'm gonna get some concealer, and I'm just going to conceal the inner portion of my lid because I really want to save this look. Guys, I'm so sorry. I was an idiot and I swatched it with my middle finger. I am not flicking you off, I swear. But here I am, just putting it right on top of the concealer. Yeah, their shimmer shades are gorgeous. I took a little bit of Twinkle Twinkle, which is like a silver, and I'm putting that on top. Make it pop a little more. Yeah, their shimmer shades are great, at least this one. I just, I can't get over how patchy this purple shade is, and I keep going back to it, but I feel like I have to. I don't know. This is like a smoky eye now. This is smoky. Forget about easy every day. That's not our jam right now. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye real quick. All right, so I'm gonna do a wing. I think this will help this look a little bit. I'm gonna do my concealer routine, and then we're gonna see how it all looks. Alright guys, I think we made it work. I actually really like the way my eyeshadow looks right now. I'm taking the lightest shade in the palette right here. This is called Delicate. And I'm just going to blend out the edges a little bit. See if that helps. No, not really. We tried our best. But let me tell you, like, I could go out with this eyeshadow and I'd be totally fine. I'm confident in it. It does look really good. But I do think the wing has helped, and obviously my little concealer routine. If you're not as messy as me, maybe yours, you know, you won't have to do your little concealer routine. But for me, you know, I'm messy. But look, it's really pretty. The wing has really helped. So let's do the lower lash line really quick. Where's my eyeliner? Ooh, my eye looks nice. This is the first time that I bring the dark shade all the way to the inner corner. I usually only do the dark shade like halfway, but I was feeling a little cray-cray today, so I decided to do that. I've always wanted to do like the cat eye, but I just tried doing it and it just doesn't look good on me, so I concealed that bad boy up. Let's do a little blendy blend with Baby Love, the first shade that I used. Kind of like it a little. Not blended, but I gotta add a little something down here. Because now that I'm going for this like sultry vibe, I want to add a little bit of black eyeliner to my waterline. Just a little bit right on the edge. This one is from Wet n Wild. It's part of their Lilo and Stitch collection. It's so good. I love this eyeliner. If you can still get it, I would totally buy it. But I'm sure their regular black eyeliner is like the same. There we go. Just a little bit, a little smoky. I gotta tell you guys, my eyes look like crystal clear with like a little tint of green. That's when I know when an eyeshadow palette really makes my eyes pop. And purples really make my eyes pop. So this is, let me tell you, we saved this look. Not the easiest palette to work with, but you do end up getting a very nice eyeshadow look. So now I'm gonna put on some false lashes. I'm switching it up today and I'm doing the Ardell 817s. And I'll be right back. My eyes are done. Let me tell you, we have come a long way, okay? At the start, I was real nervous. I was like, oh no, what are we gonna do? But now, my eyes look great. Like, I could totally go out and I'd be totally fine. The mattes, like I've mentioned in this video several times, they're just very dry, patchy, you know? And for me, I like easy eyeshadow. If you're a beginner, I would not buy this specific eyeshadow palette. I mean, you never know. Other versions, they might be better, but I wasn't super impressed. The shimmer's beautiful. Is it anything like out of this world? Anything new, crazy? No. But I'm still going to continue to use this palette. If I need to do like a taupey purpley look, I will use it, but I don't think I'm going to buy any other eyeshadow palettes from Half Caked. I will tell you, if you're not going to watch my real TikTok or short, their face products are amazing. The cream bronzer, the cream blush, I really like their brightener. I have it on today, and let me tell you, my under eyes do look a little extra something. So I really like their under eye brightener. I like their highlighter. Their brow product that I have in feels really, really good. So I have next to try the lip gloss. That's the only thing I haven't tried yet. But eyeshadow palette, I'm not super impressed. The look came out beautiful, but it was just too much work for me, you know? So I will show you like up close and personal little clips, but that's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I want to know what other videos you guys want to see from me, okay? Let me know down below. Let me know of other like small indie brands, please. I would love to try them out, see what I can do. There's a lot of noise. There's a lot of crazy things happening in this hallway. So I'm ending the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.